Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm looking forward to this one. Is Vivo X Fold 5. So this is the update from the Vivo X Fold 3. If you import Chinese phones, you'll know that most Chinese companies will always miss number 4, the 4th generation, because 4 sounds like the word death in Chinese. So a lot of major companies, big companies, will always avoid the number 4. So this is technically a 4th generation, but it's number 5. So this is the Fold, of course, and yeah, unboxing. I ordered this from Wonder Mobile. Altogether, including postage, was about £930 plus some change. At the moment, I think it's a bit more because of the exchange rate. Have a guess what color this one is? It's been opened so they can put in Google services for me, which is fine. I wanted them to do it because it's a bit of a hassle sometimes. Okay, let's put it aside. Have a guess what color. Let's hope it doesn't give it away by the case. Okay, good. It's no like my last Vivo X200 Ultra. Literally, they gave the game away. Okay, inside you've got your cables, which is A to C. A charger, which is especially in Europe anyway. I think it's European law nowadays where phones, tablets, even laptops don't come with chargers, which is a shame. At least I have this. I mean, every time I buy a new tablet or phone, this is still brand new, but I better use this because I got so many chargers, and I got loads of like anchor chargers, 140 watts, 65 watts to charge my laptops and my other phones and tablets. So I use those. I've got tons of USB-C cables, A cables. So a lot of my new devices, this is almost brand new. This one is, let me see, I think I am actually going to need glasses soon because I can barely see. This one is oh my god, I think I do need glasses, It's a 90 watts charger, I think. You guys, anybody see that? Let me just focus in. Well, maybe not. It looks like it's 90 watts. I'll put it as 90 watts. Check the specs in the beginning. I'll put the beginning like normal. In the intro scene, go back and pause that. I think it's 90 watts. I think I do need glasses. Too much time spending on computers, playing video games. Okay, so inside, I'm just going to put the case away because it gives away the color. You probably already see it. Okay, you got pin ejection tool, paperwork, and some sort of VIP card. Let's see what it says. Oops. It's all in Chinese, which unfortunately I can't read that well. I spent most of my time in the UK. Didn't spend much time in China. I did go to Chinese school in the UK, but I kind of gave up halfway. I should have stayed longer, really, honestly. This is the case. As you guessed, green. Put that aside, open that in a sec. Okay then. Alright then, let's see. Just pull this off. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, that's pretty good. I love that. That was really cool. Look at that. This is the green what green do they call this? At least if I can find the name. It just says green, but it's a nice green. This is probably the most popular color you can get in black and white, and this one, look at it, it's really nice. Looks like it's got gradient around it. It's got a nice matte frosted feel to it. Ooh. So when you fold it up, it's got a nice, it's not too loose, it's not too stiff, it's really nice. Okay. Oh, it's actually the right time. So before I go into it, just I need some charge. So let's look at this side. You got, look at the green is blending. You got the, let me see, You got volume rocker right there. This looks like it's a power button. It's so thin, my god, I didn't realize how thin this is. Damn. Wow. Okay, you got USB-C. Look at that. There's USB-C just about fit in that. Look how thin that is. You got speaker grill there. SIM tray right there. Hope you can see that. This side, you got. Oh, this looks like it's a power button. Maybe no. Is it the power button? Maybe it is a power button. This one is. That seems like the power button as well. But what is this? Okay, tap. What's that say? Just press that again. Tap and hold to turn on vibration mode. Double tap for flashlight. Okay. Cool. Look at how small that is. So this itself, the front, if you leave it one slab, is 6.5.3. Yeah, 6.53 inches. If you open it all together, it's 8.03 inches. It's actually 90.9% body to ratio. That is actually, you can see how thin the bezels are. There you go, the camera on the corner. You know, wow, that looks good. That is amazing. Yeah, so 6.53 inches front. It's a 21:9 aspect ratio. Pretty cool. So the resolution is 2200 times 2480 pixel, 413 ppi. Pretty good. It feels so good. So this is my first the first fold phone I've ever had. I've been avoiding them for two reasons. Two reasons I've been avoiding fold phones is I vowed to myself years ago that ever since I started importing and I realized how cheap it was importing flagship phones, I vowed to myself all those years ago that I would never spend more than £1,000 on any phone. And we all know fold phones are in a region of what, minimum 12.99, 13.99. So this is a 12 gig 256 model, right? If you compare this to a 12 gig RAM 256 model, say Samsung Fold 6. I know the Fold 7 is coming. Probably going to be the same price. It was what, £17.99. £17.99, so £1,800, right? I mean, you can buy two flagship phones for that, really, if you think about it. So I vowed to myself that I would not spend more than £1,000. So finally, a Vivo come out, and I've been a big fan of Vivo. Their last few phones have been amazing. Twice last year I said the Vivo X200 Pro was my favorite. This year the Vivo X200 Ultra is my favorite so far. You know, so I've been a big fan of Vivo stuff. Design, quality, everything is really good. So that's one of the reasons. Second reason is I just can't stand the crease. The crease it just annoys me so much. You know, when you notice it. But checking some of the reviews, the crease, look at that. The crease is actually very good. Let me just put that in. You can see it, but it's barely visible. I mean, you can still see it, but as compared to the last couple of generations of phones, you know, even when you do it, you can just about feel it. Of course, it's not perfect, and you may never be perfect. And who knows? It could be maybe another 2, 3, 4 generations away to get it perfect. But this is so good if you compare it to. I mean, they need the hinge, of course, to do that. And how thin is it? It's amazing. That's one of the reasons why. So the crease is a lot better, so I can forgive it. Look, you can just see it under the lighting. But it's so good. That's one of the reasons I got this. So 2 reasons. It's under 1,000, and the crease is amazing. Let's put in perspective, okay? This is my Pro, X200 Pro. Look at how thin that is. Look at that. Look at that. Then look at my X200 Ultra. Look at that. You think about that. Folded up. If you included the bump on this one, look how thin that is. So I'm actually shocked. There's a couple of caveats that they they reduced. This is still using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is fine. Like I said, you probably won't even tell the difference. The things I use, you probably can't tell the difference because I don't play games, and the stuff I use is pretty basic. Look what I got. RGB. Red, green, blue. So RGB Vivo stuff. Red, green, blue. But the camera is great. It's actually really good. That's the two reasons why I didn't get it. So finally I got myself a Fold because it fits my category under 1,000, and the crease is amazing. You can still see it, but like I said, it's a lot better than a few years ago. Let's have a quick look at some of the... Whoops. Damn, what's happening? I don't know how I've... So this is using Origin OS, of course, I assume. And I do like Origin OS. I know that the global one is FunTouch, but I've not used FunTouch, so I couldn't tell you. But like I said, out of my Ultras, the Vivo, the Oppo, and even the Xiaomi, I prefer using the Origin OS the best. Let's find out. So here you go. You've got Fold device, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 256, 12 gigabytes RAM, 6,000 milliamp battery, and think about 6,000 milliamp batteries. What is Samsung? Samsung's, what is it, 4,000, 4,000, 4.5? I mean, I understand that. I think it's a new EU law where you can't have more than 6,000 milliamps. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But I think the Fold is, what is it, 4,700? Still under still under 5,000 milliamp, but you're getting 6,000 milliamp battery. It's definitely one of the highest. Over Android 15 as well. Look at that. I want to see how, and I think it's 120 hertz. Let me double check. Make sure it's 120 hertz. Yep, so 120 hertz. So it's got everything I need. I just need to fix it, see what other apps it got. It's got a lot of bloatware. I mean, I'm just gonna... Well, sorry about the noise upstairs. The kids are back. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so this is the case. Yeah, it's actually nice. I love the kind of dark green accent. Oh, sorry about the noise. The kids are back. Oh, nice. Look at that. Amazing. It's just right. I mean, it has... Let's have a look. You can see from the side. See if it collapses. It's pretty good. It only collapsed to about here. Look at that. Also, this has 3 IP ratings as well. Let me just double check to make sure I can get it right. I think it's water and dust resistance. It's also got a freezing temperature resistance. You can, I think, like -50 Celsius or something like that. Please check the specs to begin. So it's got like 3 IP rating. So yeah, so IP58, IP59 plus, water resistance, including high pressure water jet. Yeah, so it's got all of that, plus the freezing one. You see some video where they dropped it in ice and the ice water and they come out all frozen and it still survives. So well, really looking forward to using this. Yeah, so this is unboxing. Please check back in maybe a week when I do more my impressions. Go through all of that, and maybe a little bit of gaming, maybe a racing game, some benchmarks, especially photos, because you can see you've got the Zeiss branding there, so the camera's going to be really good. So really looking forward to really playing around with my first Fold, and may get some new cases as well. I always like to use other cases and keep the original separately. Don't ask me why. So yeah, so that is unboxing for the Vivo X5 Fold. Really looking forward to that. Check back in about a few days, maybe a week's time, because I am working now, so it's kind of hard to get some free time. Yeah, thank you, and please like and subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Please do stay safe. You know what? Just one more time. Wow. Excellent. I love it. This is so cool. Anyway, yeah, sorry. get back to me in a week's time when I have a full review and everything like that. Okay, goodbye now.